So the question is, 1 out of 2 businesses in city M are small businesses, okay, and 10% of all businesses are bakeries. Okay, so basically we see that first thing is we need to read the question very carefully. Okay, now if all bakeries in the city M are small businesses, question is, this is the question, are at least 50% of the bakeries managed by men? So the question is, are 50% of the bakeries in city M managed by men? And then there are two statements given using which we need to find out the solution. So since all the figures are given in percentage terms, I can safely assume the total number of businesses to be 100. Okay, out of which these are the large scale businesses, which is nothing but 50%. So 50% is mean 50, and these are the small scale businesses, which is again 50. Since it's mentioned that 1 out of every 2 businesses are small businesses. Okay, now it is given that 10% of all businesses in city M are bakeries. So the number of bakeries are basically 10% of all the businesses. All the businesses is basically nothing but 100 businesses. So 10% of 100 is 10. So the number of bakeries is 10. Now, if all bakeries are small businesses, it means all these 10 bakeries are small businesses. So let me just highlight it this way. So this is nothing but 10 bakeries, 10 bakeries which are small scale businesses. Okay. Now the question is, are at least 50% of the bakeries in city M managed by men? So you need to find out of these 10 bakeries, how many are managed by men and how many are managed by women. Okay. So let us look at the first statement. What does the first statement say? First statement says that 30% of the small businesses managed by women in city M are bakeries. 30% of the small businesses managed by women. So I don't know how many are managed by women. Let us assume that X businesses, small businesses, are managed by women, are bakeries. X is the total number of businesses managed by women, or rather small businesses managed by women. X is the total number of small businesses managed by women, and 30% of this X are bakeries, but I do not know for sure the value of X from this statement. So let me try to figure out from the second statement, am I able to achieve something? Now second statement says that 40% of the small businesses are managed by women in city M. So what is the 40% of small businesses? So let us try to understand. Now 40% of the small businesses, so 40% of small businesses is what? Total number of small businesses is 50, are managed by women. So this means 40% of 50 is nothing but 20. So 20 small scale businesses are managed by women. Again, I do not get any information of how many women bakeries are there or men bakeries are there. But if I combine this thing with the first statement, I know that from the first statement it says that 30% of small businesses managed by women are bakeries. 30% of the small businesses managed by women. 30% of the small bakeries managed by women are bakeries. So 30% of the small businesses managed by women is what? Total number of businesses managed by women for that small scale thing is 20. So this means that 6 women are managing the bakeries. 30% of 20 is nothing but 6. Okay, so I found out that combining both the statements, 6 women are managing the bakeries. This implies that 6 women are the bakeries. So out of 10 bakeries, 6 are women and the remaining 4 are men. So I can, from the question is, are at least 50% of the bakeries in City M managed by men? So the answer is no. The answer is no, using both the statements. Okay.